ma Kevin Taylor ni Okatakyie Afrifa enya ntokwa kakra ne ma ntokwa no eba ye ni won se nansen eye ga traditional council no omo wo some rituals bia aya wo mo ya ne tintini tietie mu nyina ne se papa akwakora bia wadi 63 years a wo se wo ware akwala wadi 12 years Ghana fo ye nyina ye kan bia na ye nyina ye cheche se wo se papa no kra ye chi no ni ade ye bisa sa akwala ne maame wen ne se empenifo ni bi ebe kasa wo nungwa ho na we na Okatakyie Afrifa ono so tran Angel FM kasa se wo se sa papa na wo nungwa ho sa nkwase ade ne se tradition to watch sa akwala 12 years na ware no wo se sa papa ne ye ko chi ni tuma na se ye si na bo kwa kunifi asase so ne ye ka mema pa ankonka we na Kevin Taylor se wonti ne enti ye gafone jai sebi Okatakyie Afrifa mani di nkwasesem di omanimu yefom na enti e wo se anka gamrantie no nungwa mrantie no eko Okatakyie Afrifa kire baabi oti nyina e wo so nkohwe petrol egu baabi e wote na mo hye na fe nso mo san ba Dr. Kwaku Oteng so esanse wono no wa ma Okatakyie Afrifa hoodi e wote no na FM station odi di san kwase asem no na fe omo attack Dr. Kwaku Oteng so na sebi omo san kwase asem ne koso e won FM station so a wo bia ntumi ntia Okatakyie Afrifa no we na Kevin Taylor kire ga chief councils no say kwan won fa Okatakyie Afrifa emfa so ne ma yentie Kevin Taylor ni wo ma account emra. We
should not allow people to take opportunities and use those opportunities to underestimate or undermine other tribes. Asamaba, it's fine. And at this point, I will never sit on my platform anywhere and justify what the man did or condemn what the man did until the Constitution and the institutions mandated to take action let us know what it clearly says. Then, as a journalist here, I can also speak on it. But if you ask me right now, if the man has committed a crime, if you ask me personally, I will not make my daughter do that. It's a personal decision. But my personal decision does not matter when customs and tradition are being put together. That is why there are rules and regulations. So even within our freedom to do whatever we want, there are still rules that governs us that we need to look at. And we need to go look in the holy book, the holy grail, that is Ghana's constitution. But as it states now, nobody has been able to come on TV to officially documented anything to say this man is guilty. The Ghana Police Service, the CID, the Yoko, the Dovsu, they have not been able to categorically say this man needs to be arrested because he's a pedophile. Now you understand. That means there is still room for people to explain things to us. Till date, obia odi basis okuta fact bi said this man, this customs, this tradition. All that we are hearing are insults. All that we are hearing are people making the people think they are animals. Now, those who made derogatory remarks against the chief priest and the community should do the needful. Ni ama adi. In California, say right now, no. I saw Nanaba Namwa insult the chief priest. I don't care. They know what to do to her. There were so many of them on radio, but there's one particular one that stood out. And the reason is that it is the line of conversation and deliberate undermining of Nkranfo to make them look like animals, to make them look lesser than the Ashanti tribe. I'm going to say this. I'm not going to mince words. To make Nkranfo look like, say, even Yanya Kamfo Krana Yatia Nkramemuno, still Yehun Nkranfo so Yankwasiafo. That is how Kwame Afrifa wants this matter to look like. This guy. So that is how he's preaching the message. And that is what Kwaku Oteng has told them to do. Even though Kwaku Oteng has established his company on the land of Nkranfo, where they can go to Kwaku Oteng's radio and burn it down and whoever is in it. And they deserve to do that. No? Kwaku Oteng Eshenkofo Wechi for them to disrespect the Nungwa people, the chiefs and the youth of the Ga. The Ga youth, the Ga area, the youth. It is a deliberate thing. Now, one that was as a crampa, Say nisa was send or your convo. Now, as some way by, let's hear. And my worry is the words this boy, sat on radio to use. There is no way, sir, kwasi ampenyi way. Say nyan kranfo na ombu omuna Kwaku Oteng emu kranfo. Ehun kranfo so me kwasi afo. Like this thing. Akwawe or problem with his spinal cord. How can this boy sit on radio and sing kranfo asase so? Editing kranfo atem say omu ye foolish breeds. This boy sat on Angel FM. Said the spiritual leader of the Nungwa people were bodam. Jesus Christ. Also 21st century. And my boy when you that vigor sitting on the land of the Gans, telling the spiritual leader of the Nungwa people, including all Gans, the youth. This boy said on national television, say, what breeds are these? What you say? Kwame Afrifa radio so to Angel radio so. Catch and crime for Oma himfo, Omo spiritual leaders, Omo penifo, Omo bo and cry no wa bino. Any Omo youth ni say, Moye moa bain, what kind of breeds are you? Now mo spiritual leader na bodam. Yeah, just like that. One kana santimemo. Sebio and the say on 102 dia. O can in crime for assassin so the youth of Ga in crime for youth are sitting there. Akwa to Taifa. Nobody has burned a Angel FM down. Nobody has burned this boys where he sleeps down. This boy is still walking on the streets of Ghana or to Taifa. This boy is still bold enough to be walking on the streets of Ghana. And no youth in Accra is worried. And I sit there and ask myself, now one kind of at this point, what again do you want to see for this riffraff, this dirty soul? Ne papa benya is whatever. Wey, ne mamete a spentex, but then mamete demba bechiramo. This dirty fool, cause here way at with now catch and crime for say, what breeds are these? Obetuma kata semna chotu for. Obetuma kata semna che ahemfuro mu guas antimemu no. No, because in crime for youth no. With all due respect, you don't know what you want. When Kose Shin was in crime, this guy. And Kose baby in the two bet Koda police station. No catch a police was I am police, please, I cannot stay home. This is what this guy is supposed to be saying today. Ewakra.
Na Kevin tell we sure say nya yede. See enko shi. Yes ntokwa ba na obi aka ne a ebe haw. Ebia Kevin tell kra wonu so huhu na woye yensi nipa de plan ben maso kwi ntwa na meso endawie akra